Ito yung mga nagpadala. Ma'am, at this moment po, estimate nyo po, ma'am, nakailang millions na po tayo ng signature, sabi ni Maldito. Wala pang millions. Mahirap mahirap pa-signature campaign kasi you are going to interact with each individuals. Siguro, I would say, yung nasa amin ngayon, I would say we are around 100,000 signatures, ganun. Wala pa yung ibang mga signatures na nasa ibang lugar. Kaya nga ang pakiusap ko sa mga Dutertista, we need to multiply. We need to replicate this. Okay? Ito yung mga nagpadala. Ito yung mga nagpa-LDC, nag-mail sa amin. Ayan, we really have to replicate the efforts that we see from others. If we cannot do exactly what they are doing, what you can do is to get your family members to sign the signature sheet. Mapuno nyo to. Meron kayong 22. Ipadala ninyo doon sa designated address. Isasama namin yan sa ambag ninyo para dito sa signature campaign na ito. Ito na po yung aking bagong FB page. Ayan, Ellie Joy Cruz. So, i-follow nyo po ako dyan. Sabi ko sa inyo, grabe yung panggugurgur sa akin sa mga social media platform. Even dito sa YouTube, nararamdaman ko na hindi na rin ako sinisyndicate ni YouTube sa YT. Ayan. But anyway, I thank all our loyal supporters dito sa social media kasi hinahanap niyo ako, nagkikita-kita pa rin tayo. So maraming salamat. Your support to my YouTube channel allows me to do what I am doing right now. And I'm very grateful to every single one of you who believe and listen to my YouTube channel. Kasi hindi ko po magagawa lahat ng mga to kung hindi niyo sinusuportahan yung YouTube channel ko. Ayan. So I thank you everyone. I thank everyone. Lalong-lalo na yung mga nakasubscribe, nanonood, ginagawa akong radyo, yung ginagawa akong kasama nila sa almusal nila, yung mga team replay at team live. Thank you very much po. Kasi I would not be able to do this without your support. Napanood ko sila kababayan sa Rectal Isitan kahapon. Correct. Oo. At saka, grabe, dinudumog sila. Kababayan PH. Ayan. Eto siya. Eto. We receive one. Eto po from Marilao, Bulacan. O, diba? Marilao, Bulacan. Na-receive rin namin from Santa Mesa, Manila. Okay? So, ito po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, no? Family, friends and family. Mag-download kayo ng signature sheet. Friends and family, magpapirma na kayo. And then you send it to the address, to the designated address. So, ayan, meron tayong galing ng Marilao, Bulacan. Meron tayong galing ng Santa Mesa, Manila. BF Homes, Parañaque, nandito na rin. Kawit, Cavite, meron din, okay? Zamboanga, Pagadian City, Zamboanga del Sur. Lemery, Batangas, ayan, Lemery, Batangas, meron din. General Santos City from Barangay Isidro. Carcar City, Cebu, ayan, meron din tayo. Madami sabi ko sa inyo. But I'm going to just tell you yung mga origins nitong mga na-receive namin. So this is what we are talking about. Your friends and family can sign and join the signature campaign. All you need to do is to download the signature sheet and the letter. Explain to your friends and families, lalong-lalo ni mga Dutertista yung friends and family, explain nyo sa kanila ang purpose ng signature campaign. Pabasa nyo yung letter, i-explain nyo sa kanila yung letter, and then have their signature affixed. And we're going to pull everything and submit it to the Supreme Court. Ayan. This one is from Mandaue City. This one is from Kapalong, Davao del Norte. Ito naman po ay galing ng Bukidnon, Malaybalay City. This one is coming from Ormoc, Leyte. My God, thank you very much. Ayan. This one is coming from UAE. This one is coming from Dubai. Ito po, galing ng Dubai. Ito naman po ay galing ng Guadalupe, Cebu City. Ito naman po ay galing ng Japan. This one is coming from Hong Kong. Ayan, Hong Kong naman ito. Ito hinand over lang sa amin. Ayan, okay. Bye. Sunod kami ha. Teka, ito hinand over lang din to sa amin. Hindi ito minil. Ito ay galing ng San Roque, Zamboanga City. Angat, Bulacan. Ayan, I think I know this one who sent this signature sheets. From Angat, Bulacan, andito na po. Quezon City, galing po ito ng Quezon City. Matandang Balara, Old Balara, Quezon City. Ito naman po ay galing ng Cagayan, Makapil, Cagayan. Ayan, ito po, galing ng Cagayan. Ito po ay galing ng China, Hong Kong, China. Ayan, galing po ng China. Ito naman po ay galing ng San Juan City. I think sa Metro Manila to. Metro Manila. San Juan City. This one is coming from Plaridel, Bulacan. Ay, nako, mga taga Bulacan, I'm so proud of you for showing up. At nagpapadala kayo ng mga pirma-pirma. Galing po ng UK. This one is from the UK. This one is coming from... Ay, ito, Ginay-Auntie lang ni Ma'am. Pero taga Davao din siya, Davao City. Oh, perfect! Diba? Sipag talaga ng mga taga Davao City. Participate kung participate. Ayan. From Davao City rin ito. This one, hinand over lang to sa amin. Ito ay galing ng Caloocan. Caloocan City. This one is coming from Pampanga. Thank you, Ma'am Ses. Ito naman ay galing ng Davao de Oro. Kabunturan. Kabunturan yata ito. San Francisco, Cebu. Ayan. This one is handover lang din. Teka, hindi na natin isasama yan. Yung mga inabot lang dun sa address, ano? Inabot dun sa security guard natin. This one inabot lang din. Sorry. Ito ay galing ng Taguig. Taguig City, Metro Manila. Ito, makapal-kapal. Ito ay galing ng Cebu. Ayan. Ma'am Gigi, dumaging. Ito na. Na-receive na namin. Another package from Hong Kong. So, yung mga taga Hong Kong dyan, no, na-receive na namin. Ang dami kasing nagpapirma dyan sa Hong Kong, eh. Napapirma na namin yung mga padala ninyo. From Dali's Parking Space, handover lang din to. Hi, Mami Left. Shout out po sa inyo. Iligan City. Iligan City. Medyo makapal-kapal din yung pinadala nila. Ayan. Cagayan de Oro City. Okay, sinabayan rin nila si Ma'am Girly. Another from Cagayan de Oro City. Sobrang kapal. Okay, and this one is coming from Hong Kong again. Hong Kong, China. These are just the LBCs that we receive. So, wag niyo pong kalimutan na to do this with your friends and families. Yung success po ng Tay Kami Naman Signature Campaign is not dependent on us. It's going to be dependent on the combined effort of all the DDS, of all the Dutertistas all over the world. And we really have to show. Sabi ko nga, ang isang social aspect nitong Tay Kami Naman Signature Campaign is basically to provide tangible proof that real people support PRRD. Real people agree with the policies of PRRD when he was the president. So, the ICC has no business in questioning the wisdom of our president if yung mga ginawa ng ating presidente ay wisdom driven by the desire of the people. You would not be able to fake this kind of love. 'Di ba? Ito yung tangible proof na yung ginawa ni PRRD is something that is supported by the people. And that we do not agree dito sa inyong pagkidnap, pambabalahura at yung treatment na ginawa ninyo kay PRRD. Now, I would like again to call on yung mga kaibigan natin, yung mga kapwa natin Dutertista, kung hindi pa kayo nagpa-participate at malayo yung signature caravan doon sa lugar kung nasaan kayo, wala kayong makita ng mga pop-up signature booth para po dito sa Tay Kami Naman Signature Campaign. What you can do, okay? Sabi ko nga, ito, kagaya nito, isang page, 2 page, 'di ba? Ng ating signature sheet ng Tay Kami Naman. You complete 1 page. Sa isang page, 22 po yan. You complete 2 pages, 3 pages, friends and families. Once you complete it, send it to the designated address. And malaking ambag po yan doon sa ating pinaglalaban. Malaking ambag po yan doon sa ating pushback for a better, for a better governance, for a better Philippines. Because, sabi ko nga, Remember, what we are doing right now is not limited to PRRD. What we are doing right now is we are protecting a Filipino, okay? It is about a Filipino protecting another Filipino. Once you get all the signatures that you have, you can send it to the designated address, Unit 224. Tay kami naman, Unit 224, Palmetto Place Condominium, MAA, Davao City, Davao del Sur, 8,000. Ayan, okay? So, let's do our share. Do not forget to visit our website also, taykami-naman.org. Our campaign resources are all available there. Sabi ni Mers, tama na iyak ako kahapon pag submit ko ng ginawa namin na pa-signature campaign kasi yung galit namin, mga leader na hinayaan nila makidnap si PRRD. Totoo, totoo. Stop the term kidnap. No. Kinidnap niya talaga Lyndon Sanido. Kinidnap talaga si PRRD. Anong stop the term kidnap? Kinidnap niyo nga. Kidnapin yung ginawa kay PRRD. I don't think it's up for debate. Ngek, wala namang kwenta pinaglalaban nyo. Mas worse pa kayo sa NPA, sabi ni Lindo Sanido. Hindi ka naman kasali, Lindo. Hindi ka ba kasali dito? Sige nga, paano pa kami naging worse than NPA? Yung NPA pumapatay yung putang ina mo. Pumapatay ba kami? Tapos sasabihin mo, mas worse pa kayo sa NPA. Ewan ko sa'yo, putang ina mo. Ikaw, mas worse pa yung utak mo sa tae. As in yung tae, pag ginawa mong pataba, may silbi. Ikaw, wala. Di ka marunong mag-isip. Paano kami maglaging mas worse pa sa... You just don't agree with what we are doing. But to say that we are killing people, okay ka lang. EJK, hindi ba yan patayan? O sinong in-EJK? O yung mga NPA, hindi ba nag-EJK yan? Ba't hindi ka galit sa mga NPA? Bakit kami pa yung mas worse? Eh yung NPA, 52,000 na yung pinatay niyan. 52,000 ang pinatay ng NPA. O eh di ba ang bintang nyo kay PRRD, sabi nyo 30,000, di nyo mapatunayan. Tapos biglang naging 7,000. Tapos biglang naging ano. Pagkatapos si PRRD mas worse sa NPA? Okay ka lang? Diyos ko. The estimated number of people killed by the NPA is 52,000 since its inception. Pagkatapos sasabihin, kunwari wag na nating pagdebatihan yung mga, yung mga collateral damage dyan sa war on drugs. Yung mga namatay sa war on drugs, mga kriminal, mga salot ng lipunan, ng re-rape, nagbebenta ng droga. Hindi nyo nga mapatunayan na state-sponsored yan eh. That's law enforcement. Ganun talaga ang law enforcement, Lindon, tanga. Eh yung NPA, pinagpapapatay nilang 52,000 over the course of their pinaglalaban. Ano justification nun? Tanga. Pagkatapos si PRRD ang mas worse than NPA, ulul, tangina mo. Hoy Lindo, pag nagwagi kami sa pakikipaglaban sa bayan, pati ikaw makikinabang dahil ihinto na ang korap. Sabi ni Sailor Moon. Well, hindi naman maiintindihan ni Lindon yan eh. Kasi anti-Duterte lang sila, tanga lang sila, ganon. Hindi nila kasi gets na, for example, itong ginawa nito kay PRRD, if this is actually done on Leni Robredo, pagtatanggol namin sa Leni Robredo. Of course, syempre ngayon, mas affected kami dahil we love and respect PRRD. But if what is done on PRRD is done to other Filipinos, pagtatanggol ko rin siya. Hindi lang siguro ako magkakaravan. Ganyan. But I'm going to definitely defend Leni Robredo kapag kunwari kinidnap siya, pinadala siya sa Hague, nang hindi hinarap sa competent judicial authority dito sa Pilipinas. I'm definitely going to defend her. Eh ikaw, Lindon, can you say the same thing? No, kasi DDH ka lang. Utak-tae ka lang. Nanunog pa ng mga ari-arian ng mga NPA. Yes, okay. And please support all the social media personalities, social media Duterte vloggers who are supporting Tay Kami Naman. Kasi meron po talagang deliberate effort to really reduce my voice sa social media. I think it has something to do with Tay Kami Naman. Siguro natatakot sila dahil it's getting traction and it's getting a lot of support from Duterte supporters and non-Duterte supporters as well. In fact, marami kaming nakausap, yellow, pink, hindi sila hindi sila DDS, hindi sila Dutertista. But they believe what is done to PRRD is incorrect. What is done to PRRD is inhumane. And so they signed the petition. Wala ba sa Maynila niyan, Miss Jo? Sabi ni Jojo Hara. Meron po. In fact, si Kababayan PH, si Placido Piloso po, sila yung masipag na nag-iikot sa Metro Manila ngayon. Nasa Quezon City sila. Nagpupunta rin sila sa ibang Manila areas. nagpapasignature campaign sila doon. Marami na rin nagpa-participate, ano? So, i-follow nyo po si Kababayan PH, si Matinik Idol, si PRRD Care Movement, at si Placido Piloso po. Sana magkaroon din po sa Santa Maria, Bulacan, sabi ni Jun Sumaylor. Nagpunta na sila, Kababayan PH sa Santa Maria eh. Titingnan ko kung kakayanin na pumunta ng Santa Maria. Pero gusto ko rin dalhin yung coaster sa Santa Maria actually. We will never get tired of you, Miss Joey. Salamat po. Thank you very much. Mocha Princess, thank you very much po sa support. Sa Surigao po, hindi kami aabot ng Surigao. Anyway, I'll end this live and keep your mails coming. Okay? Aabangan namin ang mga mails ninyo. Keep your mails coming. Bibilangin namin yan. Iisa-isahin namin yan. At dadalhin namin yan as attachment to our letter petition to the Supreme Court. Okay? I love you guys. Thank you very much.